This is the team behind ChainNotary, and ChainNotary is a blockchain-based document notarization platform built on the Internet computer designed to serve the Egyptian financial market ecosystem. So basically, the platform enables various stakeholders, including Egyptian companies, regulators, authorities, and investors, to verify financial documents such as earning releases and financial statements. And this is the architecture overview. So users can access our platform, ChainNotary, through a web browser or through their mobile browser. And they are prompted to authenticate themselves using the Internet Identity Authentication module. And after they're authenticated, they have the access to our front end canister. And this is front end canister is completely deployed on ICP and it's written in React and TypeScript. And it communicates with the backend canister that's also deployed on ICP and it's written in Rust. So this backend cancel, of course, utilizes the ICP stable memory to store documents, users, and institutions. And it also does HTTP out calls primarily for two things. First is to do AI analytics on the documents submitted by the users or institutions, and also to do Discord API webhooks for logging or for critical events. This is the code overview. We have the backend folder containing all the source code for the backend cancer, containing all of the main functions, the logging functions, storage functions, and different models we have. And we have also the front end folder containing all the code for the front end cancer. We have the docs folder containing two different folders or two different documentations. The business documentation and the technical documentation. With the business documentation, you can have access and read our business model. For the technical documentation, you can have access to different deployment scripts depending on the environment you want to deploy our code to. And we have also different diagrams explaining how our platform works. In addition to that, we have a deploy script integrated with GitHub Actions to deploy our platform whenever we make a commit to our GitHub repo main branch. So you can see right here that our latest commit was the changes that we have made was successfully deployed to mainnet. So this is the platform overview. Here we have the candid interface with different backend methods, and we have our front end here. If we choose to join now, we will be authenticated using internet identity. Okay, so right now we are being authenticated. We have been successfully authenticated. We can get to the account to find our account details, our name, our principal ID, our role, since we have three roles in the platform, super admin for now, regular user, and institution member. If you want to publish, for example, an earning release, we would choose which earning release we want. Choose this, for example, the data will be automatically extracted from the XBRL document, and then we can choose to publish it. And tada, we have our documents, our financial statement for the ABC Manufacturing Corp published on chain, and the data was extracted automatically from the difficult to read XBRL sheet or document. So for example, if you have a better view, if you want to better view the values of the Excel of the XBRL, We can get this view. We can get also a structure view to see exactly the kind of financial data included in the XBRL document. Idea of how difficult to read the XBRL document is. This is the same document that we have uploaded, but it's a bit difficult to read. But once we upload it successfully, we can again view it in the XBRL file viewer and in the table view and the structure view as well. And we have also the option to query an earning release. For example, if you want to query this document, and it's a different document than the one that we have just published, it's a Sweden Electric financial statement. We can get some AI analytics on it. So right now it's doing an HTTP out call to our LLM model. So right now it has provided us with a financial summary of the PDF document. We can also have the option to get some charts of the values and facts submitted in the financial statement. And yes, these are charts generated by our LLM model. If you would like charts more than words, you can have access to the charts generated by our LLM model based on the document that was just published. One more thing I want to show you is the super admin dashboard. And in the super admin dashboard, you can create institutions, and you can also assign members to institutions. So as I have mentioned, we have three type of users. We have a super admin, we have a regular user, and we have an institution member. So once we assign a regular user to an institution, they become an institution member, and they would have different authorities on our platform. Last but not least, this is our Discord channel where we have regular, uh, typically every 24 hours messages from our backend cancer telling us the status of the cancer and some info about the cancer, like the cancer ID, number of cycles that we have so far at the cancer, timestamp, date and time, severity of the message, and some details about the source, like the number of documents and user profile count and so on and so forth. And you can see that we have three colors. There's three different colors depending on the severity of the message, whether it's a warning message, a critical message, or an info message. Yeah, and that's basically it. Thank you and welcome to the future of financial notarization.